This is the summary of Act 3, Scene 2, and I like to call this the breaking news. The people that are involved in this scene are Juliet and the nurse. Juliet is basically anticipating and thinking and just wondering what her first night with Romeo will be as husband and wife, and as she's reminiscing and everything is good, the nurse comes in with really bad news about Tybalt's death and the fact that Romeo killed Tybalt, and because of that, Romeo is now banished. She does get very upset with Romeo and disappointed, but at the same time, she still has hope that he had a reason for it, a reason to killing her cousin. Instead of being sad, or the nurse does suggest that Juliet receives comfort from Romeo and just spends time with him as husband and wife, which you think may be odd, but the nurse does feel that Romeo makes Juliet happy. So that might have been the nurse's way to calm and bring comfort to Juliet. This all takes place in Juliet's chamber. The reason why this is important is Juliet still has the ability to forgive Romeo even after killing her cousin. And she still decides to consummate her marriage with him, which some of you may not feel that was the best decision, but it is the decision she makes. Please enjoy Act 3, Scene 2. The breaking news.